JB Weld SteelStik. It is versatile to fix any kind of metal. Look at all the different products they have available for you. It will even cure and patch metal underwater and high temperature situations such as automobiles. In this video, I will be replacing my, what is it called again? In this video, I will be repairing my workshop stool. Look at that. It's had better days. I bet this will work, but let's test it out together and see if it works. I will also show you the step-by-step methods to how this product works. JB Weld SteelStik is so incredible and so versatile, you'll see why I always keep a pair in my toolbox. Okay, JB Weld comes in this convenient carrying case for a reason, because you don't need the whole tube of the product likely for your repair. You can just break off the piece you need and store it away for later. These protective tabs keep the air out of it. As you can see, it's a two-part putty, an A and B. When you mix that or knead it together, it will start a chemical reaction and it will cure as strong as steel, and you can cut it and fabricate it and weld on it just like real steel. Now, the manufacturer does recommend that you do this with gloves. This stuff will get under your fingernails, in your skin, and you'll never get it off again. So now you can see the color changing. We have the dark black and we have the gray. I'm glad they made the two-part compounds separate colors, because as they blend, it'll become a unified color, and that's how you know you've achieved the right consistency of the product and you'll be ready to apply it for your rapid repair. Once it gets on the metal, it's going to cure, set up in just a few minutes to where it won't be workable in just a few minutes, and then your full cure time will be 1 hour. Now, on the broken metal leg to this stool, we're going to apply it on the inside like an epoxy, and then I also hope to wrap it around as well. Okay, that's for the inside. Now let's stick it back on. And now for my leftover bits, I hope to wrap it around just like a burrito. And that should bond tightly to the metal. And when that cures, fill all the voids. When that cures, it'll be as hard as steel. During this particular repair, I'm also going to put a little bit of weight on the stool. I want it to kind of simulate what it's going to be like when I sit on there, so we're in the correct position. All right, it is sticking to my glove a little bit, so now I have resorted to skin contact. Just make sure you wash your hands immediately after handling this product. On the edges, I've always pinched it tight, so I've never left gaps. Okay, we're going to give this the cure time, and I'll come back and we'll test out and see the results in 1 hour. I did a little bit more research on the best practices for cure time on the SteelStik. 5 minutes, the product is not workable anymore. In 1 hour, it's ready for light handling and cured pretty good, but up to 24 hours before you achieve full strength. Now, if it's cold, like you're doing an outside repair and it's cold in winter, it will take longer than the 24 hours to fully cure. Okay, the shop stool repair has cured for 1 hour. Is it as hard as steel? I'm not sure yet, but let's test it. Holy cow, it worked. I can't believe it. SteelStik is the real deal. It has hundreds of repairs. If you think about it, all the metal components in your house, in your automobiles, in your RVs, there's so many things that snap or crack that need repairs. SteelStik can do it. Let me know if you have used this product or if you have any questions. Uh-oh.